This is going to be a quick video on what it looks like to turn on your new B-Hyve Pro Smart Sprinkler Clock, as well as what the app looks like, and then how to get the app set up and connected to your sprinkler clock. So we'll go ahead and get the sprinkler clock plugged in. Just take us a couple seconds to turn on. Once it does, it will say off. As we can see, it shows off. So we're in good hands there. Let's jump over to the iPad real quick. So I've already gotten the app downloaded, but it's this one here that has a B, and it says B-Hyve, B-Hyve. So go ahead and get that downloaded. You can just get the free version one. That's just fine. It'll work. What you're going to have to do is once you get into it, you're going to need to create an account. So make sure you get in and create an account. Once you do that, we're going to go ahead and go to My B-Hyve. Next, we are going to go to Devices. Then we're going to hit the plus button. Once you get there, if you're the first one setting this up, go ahead and click a new device. If you already have a sprinkler company that's taking care of it for you, make sure that they're the one setting up the device, and then they can generate a code for you so you don't have to worry about it. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and hit this is a new device. Then we get to pick and choose which one of these it is. We know that this is our indoor-outdoor timer, as it looks similar. So here's a picture. We know that it's this one, since that's what this one is here. Go ahead and click on it. Then it'll run through a couple things. So is my device powered on? Yes. Perfect. So as we notice, there's going to be what they call a MAC address. The way we check this is, I'm going to put this down. Remember when we were going back through, we're going to open this up, and on the back side, there's going to be these numbers right here. So a barcode and some numbers. This is called your MAC address. We need to make sure that this number is what's showing here on the iPad, so we can double check. Everything looks good. So yep, say this is my device. Right now we're waiting to connect. Sometimes it can take a couple minutes, so we will let this run and scan. What's going to happen is it's going to be scanning for a Wi-Fi network. Once we find it, you're going to go in and find whatever your Wi-Fi network is and start from there. Once you have gone in and found the Wi-Fi and connected it, then you can go in and start naming your device. So you can go up here, click and type in whatever you want to name it. This time we'll just leave it a smart outdoor timer for right now. Then go ahead and hit next. Then what we would recommend is going in and using the exact location that you're in. The reason why we do this is to be based on, because of the smart capabilities, it's able to go in and understand the weather, just to be able to help save you any sort of money that's possible if you're not overwatering or anything of that nature. So I'd recommend going in and putting in the exact location of where you're at. Once you've gone in and put in your exact address, the next section or the next part of the app here is going to show you the number of zones that you have. Now, if you notice, I said that this clock was an 8 zone, but this only is showing 6. All you have to do is swipe over, and there's the other 2. So let's just say we have 5 zones. That's all we know we have. So go ahead and click and highlight them. We want to make sure they're highlighted. That will help tell the clock how many that you have. Then you hit next. Then what you will proceed to do after that is go in, and you're going to click on the number. You're going to go in and take a picture of the section so you know what it is. So we'll go in and just quick picture. I know it doesn't look very good. It's taking a picture of what it is. We'll go ahead and hit test. This way you know that it's actually working. So you'll automatically start seeing the sprinkler heads pop up and run. If not, you'll know that there is a problem in the connectivity. Once you've seen it and it looks good, you hit stop, and then go ahead and name the zone. So you can say, front yard pop-ups, for example, but it doesn't have to say something like that. Just whatever you'll know. Then you'll hit next. You will do this for all 5 or 6 or however many zones that you have. Take a picture, test them, put the name in. Once you've gone through all of the different zones, you're going to come in and you're going to have the option to do either smart watering or traditional watering. Smart watering, you will need to go in and have a lot more information done based on the type of soil that you have and a lot of other factors that will allow it to be smart. So up to you. I'd highly recommend, unless you've done all that type of research, just do traditional watering. It's going to give you what you need, but you can also do that other one. So once you're done, it gives you this idea or the options of either set up another device or start using my device. We'll go ahead and start using that device. This is now what your main screen will look like. You will have the option to start building out the programs and schedules, and we'll go over each of those sections